Find features that differentiate it from other brands for all power. 3300 watt peak power quiet inverter generator. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. 3000 watt high power for commercial use. Rated 3000 watt, peak 3300 watt, easily powers electric drills, circular saws, air compressors, and 2 to 3 sets of office equipment, meets small business or job site power needs. Surprisingly light for high power. Only 19.5 kilograms. Much lighter than other 3000 watt generators, usually 25 kilograms plus, easy to transport between job sites or load into a work truck. Quiet enough for indoor/outdoor work. 67.6 decibels at 7 meters, enclosed mute design, won't disturb nearby shops, residential areas, or on-site workers, unlike loud traditional commercial generators. 8-hour long runtime. 6.5 liters large fuel tank plus efficient 143 cc engine, runs continuously for 8 hours at 50% load, reduces frequent refueling and improves work efficiency. Durable for heavy-duty use. Reinforced metal housing plus high-temperature resistant components, withstands daily use on construction sites or outdoor work environments, anti-impact, anti-rust. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.